model canvas. So last year, what happened is basically the situation was totally different. So we have conducted this system, basically this workshop in a Samvad, right? With actually a better way, like how we can, use, you can take a use of this BMC, right, to enhance our product life, as well as, as well as to decide our proper market strategy, right? Now, whatever BMC I'm using, business model canvas, that is actually a copyrighted by the Forge technology, right? So for internal use, you can use it, but externally you cannot use it. That's for educational purpose. Means it's only education institute can use it. Okay. So just the first thing that I want to tell you that is this canvas is copyright by the Forge Incubation Center from South India. Basically, they are from I think Chennai. Okay. Now, whether whenever we are talking about the BMC, right? BMC stands for the business model canvas, right? We usually say that before business, we have a one thing called a startup, and then later on, your startup converts to a proper business. Okay. Now, whenever we are talking about startup, also the first thing always come into picture is the idea. What is the idea? Now, whatever today I'll speak before that. Not the idea. I'll speak before that. That your idea is generated from the problems. We say, the need is the necessity. Whenever something is needed, right, we go for that. हिंदी में बोलते हैं जब प्यास लगती है तो कुएं की तरफ भागते हैं वैसे. So it is actually our need, and based on that, we can find out some problem, and then based on that problem, we can convert into the startups. Okay. So now, as we said, as we said, it's related to problem. So what is basically a problem? First tell me what is a problem. If I talk about the problem, now this current scenario is a COVID scenario. So in COVID scenario, what are the problem which people are facing? Yeah, anyone can give me any idea? In COVID scenario, what people are facing the problem, right?
Sir, may I?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So the people are scared of getting out of their houses to buy groceries and stuff.
Very good. So that, yeah, exactly. So people are, afraid to get out of their houses, right? And which is, unique problem, or you can say a big problem for them. Or really, it is we need to solve this kind of problem, right? So what people have done is some people come, come forward to help them, like with some groceries. Some people, come to help them with related to some their medical stuff, right? So this is something which you can say a kind of social work. But whenever we are talking about the business model, it doesn't goes on social work. If you really go for a social work, then your startup will not work, right? Because every startup needs some initial fund. Even for running also we need some fund, and then finally it gives us a profit. Okay. So BMC start with the particular problem which can be solved, and with the different way, which can be solved with a different way. And the basic funda remains same, but the modification will help you to enhance your profit. Like example, पहले भी phones थे, अभी भी phones है. But if you see that 6600 or whatever Nokia stuff were there, right? It was just a basic model to communicate. But now the day by day they have enhanced their technology with the same basic principle. Still the basic principle of phone is what we are using for just to communicate with each other. But now this communication modes has changes, right? Previously we used to communicate with the normal call. Now we can communicate with WhatsApp, we can communicate with the Telegram, right? So some an app help us to solve the problem in different ways also, right? So that is a BMC. So what today we'll do is we'll discuss, of course, we'll discuss the BMC canvas, business model canvas, right? By taking a one of the examples. And like I am a teacher, right? So I have took example from the teaching fields only. I took example from teaching field only. And what we have faced, what kind of problem we have faced, I'll let you know. And finally, what will be conclusion, that also I'll discuss. So the problem statement today is a device which can use as a blackboard in online teaching, right? This is the problem statement. Now, how I derived this problem statement. So basic problem was every teacher, usually the teachers from mechanic, usually the teachers from the science background and the maths background facing this problem, क्योंकि online में लिखने के लिए उनके पास कुछ नहीं था, and the tab and everything which was available now the like now Amazon and all, they are doing delivery, but previously they were not doing deliveries also. So in that cases tab वगैरह भी मंगाना, and that are very costly also, you know. So in that cases we have to make a kind of device which will helpful for them to in online teaching, and it should be very simple to use. It should be very simple to use. So whatever I am saying, these are the objective of my the solution. This should be the objective of my solution. The functional should be very careful. Functional should be easy to adopt it. Any teacher can use it very simple way, let's say by connecting a wire or something like that. So we'll discuss our complete BMC, the business model canvas, with this problem statement, right? So now, as I said, this problem statement, yeah,
Sorry, that Raul Gonzalez in the waiting room.
okay. Just give me 1 second. Is there, I think, inside Gonzalez? No, it is not there. Screen change किया तो वो
Yeah, sir,
problem
he
है.
But
done.
done, sir.
Okay. We'll see. Fine. So device which can be used as a blackboard in online teaching. Okay. Anyone having any idea? Any kind of device you can make it? Any idea? This, let's say, आपको problem find करने में difficulty होता है. Now I have found out the problem for you and I have given a simple statement. Now in this case, what will be the design? What will be the device which should be very simple? Everyone can use it. So you are not getting any idea, right? कैसा device हो सकता है यार? What kind
The
of device?
one which Bilolikar sir uses for his teaching. I don't know the name of it.
Hmm.
That is, he writes on it. It's
Yeah,
Sir,
that is a tab. That is a tab.
pen tablet.
So
Pen
it's an
tablet.
optical pen actually. It's an
Optical
optical
pen, but
pen.
that is too costly, no? That is too costly.
Yeah,
The
sir.
cost is around 10 to 12,000. Now I am talking about every teacher can use it. Let's say teacher from municipal school also should purchase this and use it. It should be cheaper. Whenever we talk about in India, India is always we talk about in cheap thing. Cheap thing should be there. It should be cheap. Yeah. Yes. Any other idea? Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. We have derived this. We have already made one what we call as product on this. So I'll show you. Right. So now, as I given the problem statement, what we have to do is first step of the business model canvas is this. Okay. As I said, this is copyrighted by Forge. So you can see the name of the Forge is also there. Fine. Now this is the first thing on which we have to work. This shows the marks for that. Okay. Let's say first thing is the problem statement defined clearly. Right, defined clearly. See, the way we are working for mini projects also, same way whenever we are talking about the idea, कल मेरे को idea आएगा कि मैं वड़ा पाव का stall खोलूंगा, right? So वड़ा पाव का stall खोलना it can be a good problem, right? Which we are solving a problem like with this, we can so we can help people to eat something, summarize कर सकते हैं, उनका hunger मिटा सकते हैं, right? But is it really worth to solve that problem? Okay, so first thing is this problem defined clearly? That's a very important. If you say it's defined clearly, then you should give complete 20 marks. So these are the different descriptions are given, and based on that you can give a marks to your problem statement. Let's say whatever problem statement currently I am giving that my problem statement is clearly defined. Clearly tell me how many marks I should give it. Shall I give 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks, or 20 marks? This, don't take this 20 ka tick because this is already for some other product. Yes, how many marks should give? First tell me, is it really worth to solve this problem or no?
Yes, sir. It will help the teachers and students a lot.
Yeah, very good. Because
yes,
in
sir.
PP, is it worthy, right? So now in this case, how much marks I should give? I hope I'll write it. Definition, the vague definition of the problem, but unable to understand a real world use case scenario and end user that face the problem, right? So I think we have covered this aspect. So 2 marks बहुत कम हो जाएगा. 2 marks we should get it. Okay. Only a generalized problem statement is indicate, but without any indication of real world use case. No, real world use is there. Real world use is there. So we can move ahead. Okay. A novel idea, but purely technical in nature without a strong cause for it being applied in real world problem use case scenario. What do you feel? Shall I go for 6 or आगे बढ़ सकता हूँ? Is it I'm really taking a use case scenario, or is it something fictitious problem is there? What do you suggest? This will really help you whenever you can apply this canvas. You can apply this this terminology everywhere, even in for your mini projects also. Even you can apply to purchase anything as in your household. Many places. See, the thing is, we all are doing this exercise at home also, but we have to arrange systematically, especially whenever we are talking about the startup. Okay, so we are just here trying to arrange in systematic way, and we are doing a discussion. It is not a lecture, right? It is just a discussion which is not related to your syllabus, but it is something beyond. You will learn something with that. Okay, so let me know how many marks should I give for my problem statement. Our problem statement is, I'll go to again my problem statement, device which can be used as a blackboard in online teaching, right?
Sir,
And yeah,
100 marks. Like you will judge them on the basis of different parameters, like their idea, then how is it unique from the other existing ideas, its novelty,
yeah,
its pricing,
yeah. So
everything.
we are just now talking about not the, we are just talking about the problem statement, the statement which we have formed. Is it a clear statement or it is a vague statement? If you feel it is a vague statement, you give me 2, 4 or anything. If it is a clear statement, you can give me a more marks also. So you people decide and let me know what marks I should give. Yes, people, tell me. Is it clear? मतलब आप लोग ये पढ़ सकता है कि मैं थोड़ा ये आ रहा है? It is readable. It is readable.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
it's
sir.
readable.
हाँ.
It's
So
readable.
how many marks I should give to problem statement? Shall I give more than 6, 10, 20, or less than 10, 20, 16? If you see,
Sir, I get 10.
10, you are saying 10, okay? Because in 10 it is written clearly defined problem statement as it is experienced by the beneficiary, right? Beneficiaries in the real world, but without a description of indication of significance magnitude, right? So even as someone says 10, I also feel it should be 10. Why not 20? Because in 20 it is written that clearly defined and validate problem statement with descriptions of the significant magnitude of the problem. See, we don't know that how much, what is the exactly intense, how much intense the problem is, right? And the solution we will derive, we don't know exactly how our device will look like, right? What will be the intense discussion, is it will be helpful to solve, और क्या पता ऐसा हो गया कि हम लोग एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं, it may create some different problem also. So even I feel that in this case I should go for the 10 marks. Okay, so let's say I got 10 marks for defining the problem statement. The next one is the problem worth solving? Yes, it is worth solving, but you have to tell me the marks also now, right? Worth solving. First thing is the problem statement. Second is the worth. If this problem statement is clearly defined, we go for solving the worth of the problem. Okay. So in this question, it is written, idea is about offering a very conventional product done several time before. Is it very conventional product?
No,
I
sir.
don't think so. It is not, right? The next one is a technical challenge in the form of gap in existing. Yeah. Now this point I want to just to elaborate. See, sometimes there is a gap. There is a gap means people are using, let's say example, people are using many things, right? Which can be previously also using, but that is just a small modification and then it is very useful. Like example, now for laptop, let's say heating of laptop is there. So what we can do is we can just put book below that and we can use it, right? So I am solving that problem easily. But now they have also designed a stand in a such a way that are cheaper, right? And that are more handy to use it. So I may go for that stands also, right? So is in this case, is this problem is worth of solving, right? We are solving something which is our fantasy to solve, but it is not really useful for them, right? Or if it is useful for them, the cost is too high, right? So that is a one more factor also is there. Okay, so we have to clearly analyze the gap. What is the exact gap between the people thinking and the product we are doing. There is a value mapping is also there. In that we'll see more elaborate way of this. Now conventionally solved problem, but idea is about solving some minor gap in the existing. I don't think so it is a minor gap. Okay,
No, sir.
yeah. So the next one is unsolved problem, but with limited problem significant in magnitude. I may go for this. It's a limited effect. Okay. But if I see in other way, let's say this COVID scenario is not continuing, right? Abhi COVID scenario is fine. But after that, let's say COVID scenario is not there. Still, can we make a device in a such a fashion that after COVID scenario also that the device is very useful, or let's say user friendly. Everyone want to use that device. Okay. Like example, previously WhatsApp, many people have not taken WhatsApp so seriously. But if you see this in COVID scenario, some people declare that WhatsApp is also official communication. So with the changing of the scenario, many people are like to adopt the WhatsApp also as a one kind of their मेन इंपॉर्टेंट. हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, अरे कुछ किया तो व्हाट्सअप, पहले बोलते थे मैसेज कर देंगे, अब बोलते हैं व्हाट्सअप कर देंगे. टेलीग्राम पे ही भेजना रहेगा तो बोलेंगे अरे व्हाट्सअप कर दे. ठीक है. So see the scenario, how the scenario has changed. So we have to, when we are solving the problem is really worth to solving, we have to check about these points also. If you see the 14, higher degree of problem significance magnitude, but relates to the gap issue in the existing solution in the market today. Yes. Is it somewhere we are focusing, right? There is some product which is available, but it's a costly, right? And it is even not a user friendly also. It is not a user friendly also. Okay. So here we are focusing. And the last one, unsolved problem with a high degree. No, it is not unsolved. It is solved. So I may go for this 14 marks here. Okay. So 14 marks. Other marks you have to tell me, right? You people can discuss and you people can tell me. I am free for that. Is the chosen target customer, yeah, very important, chosen target customer bracket में type/profile strongly motivated to solve. Yeah, this is very important. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला, ये हम लोग का just a fantasy है क्या problem solve करने का, और if this is really worth, means customer को really required है ये चीज. Is it really required? If it is really required, then we should go ahead. If it is not really required and if we'll go, then there is no use. Okay. So is the chosen target customer is really motivated, but they need a solution for this problem. Is it this kind of funda is there? So based on this, read these boxes and tell me how many marks I should give.
Sir, what I wanted to ask you was, is the problem worth solving? The second point, sir, like it now, suppose any kind of product is developed in a is in a foreign country, but in a higher price, but we need to in India, someone is making to develop it at a much lower price, which is customer friendly for the Indian users.
Okay.
So, sir, it will depend upon the region of where it is getting produced and the lifestyle
Definitely.
of that region, of that culture of that region, and
yeah, definitely.
points
So
with
now, yeah,
region
this
to region.
with whatever factor you are saying, that we'll discuss it. Okay, we'll discuss it. Now currently it's just you are at home only. Okay, and something strike in your mind. That way you should decide it. Okay.
sir.
So let's say now I'm talking about, let's say Mumbai region only. I'm just sitting in the home. Okay, and something strike into my mind. Are ye problem solve karna chahiye. Okay, and I start giving a marks, like I'm doing my brainstorming by myself only. Okay, so that way you think and just give the marks. We'll go ahead, whatever you are saying, definitely that all the factor will affect a lot. Okay, and those factor will discuss in later slides. So just give me a marks here. How many marks should I give? The target customer is properly 4, 6, 8, 14. How much marks I should give? Yes, anyone will help me that? Could you see now? Yeah. Yes, someone is saying something.
Sir, I guess it should be 14.
It should be 14. Okay. Someone said me 14. Okay, thank you. Okay. The next point is the core value proportion defined, quantified, and validate. Okay. Now core value. Now in this case, whenever they are talking about the core value means how much value basically your customer want to give you. Okay. And it is quantified and validated. Is it how many quantity we should sell it? And the validated means, is it really the product which will last for the market? So we don't know. It's just an idea that we have strike in our mind. Okay. So we don't know. So in this case, let's say I'll give Of course, 2 marks, right? So I'm giving a 2 marks here. Plus the last one is the MUP, minimum usable. The is the MUP. MUP means minimum usable prototype, right? MUP concept effective in testing. We don't know. We have not done any testing, right? We have not done any testing. So let's say here also we'll put just 2 marks. So these are the marks which I have given, right? Based on based on just an idea which strikes to my mind. So it is 28
42.
plus, yeah, 42. Thank you. So this is just a 42 marks we have given. Okay. Now, once we have given this 42 marks, we'll move to head. Now we'll form our hypothesis. So as we said, what is a problem? Teachers are facing a problem in online teaching. So our statement will come here. Okay. Sorry. Our statement will come here. Once the statement come, after that, constraint and barriers, right? What are the constraint and barriers? So can anyone tell me what are the constraint and barrier of solving this problem? What will be the barriers? If I take my problem, board bidding, क्या होना चाहिए? Barriers क्या है? What are the barrier? Is it if you go for a some battery system, right? Then the batteries are one barrier. The batteries are one barrier. What are the other barriers? Your electricity is one kind of barrier, right? Then other thing is barrier may some teachers, school teachers are not that much educated, so product handling should be properly. Okay, so these hypotheses will form it, of course, based on these marks. If less than 5 or more than 10, how much barriers को कितना अच्छे से define किया है. Then value and benefits. One, if we solve the problem, how much benefit customer will be. So in this case, based on the beneficiary point, you can give the marks of 20 and this. And solution usability means how easy to it is used. Okay, and then finally we'll decide about the price also. See, yet now we have not done anything. We have not met any of the customer. We have not taken any of the feedback. We have just found out the idea. We have just found out the idea which strikes in our mind, and based on that we have decided. And target customer, you have to really write here target customer. Here in our case is teacher, right? So the teachers are the target customer basically. But is it we can go more to this, right? Is it we can go more to this? Can we define some more customers also?
Sir, those
Yeah.
want to instead of like if you're presenting for in
Yeah.
like companies, they instead of PowerPoint presentations, you can actually present it online on this particular device. So
Huh.
for businessmen or entrepreneurs, this can be a good. They can be a good target customers.
Okay.
Sir, may I?
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, as in corporates, when there are presentations, we need to highlight certain things. So using this device, if
Okay.
we are able to, edit the presentations while giving the presentation, then our product would be beneficial for the corporates as well.
Very good. So even with not with the teachers, but as you all saying, right? We can derive different varieties of our. We can make a different part, or you can say the different modification version of the product based on in what sector we are sending. Suppose it is a commercial sector or in a corporate, or suppose if we are really looking for some children's also. So based on that also we can do it, right? So this is your basic hypothesis that we can form it. Very good. Now once we went to this, now we'll really go to our customer. Really, now this is with related to customer. So problem validation and customer discovery. अभी तक हम लोग जो भी किया, that was totally in our mind. Now we are really going to the customer. Okay. Now what we do is here we are using here we are using a sticky notes. Now इसका हम लोग प्रिंट आउट लेके स्टिकी नोट्स यूज करते हैं, and we'll go to different customers. Okay. Now first question will, this 6 question will ask to the customer. Can you describe the problem in your own word? First we'll tell our problem, right? कि देखिए आपका, हमने ये सोचा है प्रॉब्लम कि आपको ऑनलाइन टीचिंग में प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो ऑनलाइन टीचिंग में प्रॉब्लम एग्जैक्टली क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ओन वर्ड, एग्जैक्टली हाउ यू आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन इट, राइट? Experience is it. Now what we'll do is, one will go to first customer, second customer, all the customer ka review, will write it. We'll stick the sticky notes here, we'll stick it. So basically here we are doing the survey, and whatever 6 question ka answer will get it here, right? Based on, we'll summarize and we'll particularly, we'll modify our hypothesis based on this, right? And we'll check here, we'll really check here that is it really still worth of solving this or not. Okay, now if we get a proper answer of this why, how and what, why, how and what, right? Then we will move ahead to design our product. Okay, so now as our initial phase of our idea is finished here, initial phase of the idea, so we have also made one MUP of our product, and this is our product. So the basic funda was very simple for this product. Is what you have to do is, so you can see our product ka final diagram is here. The name was Teach Smart, right? This is the product, and there's a goose nose pipe is there, right? With the help of that pipe, you can bend it, Now what will happen is, suppose on your keypad, you can put one table or something here, right? Uske upar you can lock your keypad and you can put your book here. Okay. Now what will happen is, whenever you will write something, there is a mirror at this position. There is a mirror is there. There is a mirror, right? Due to the reflection of the mirror, that reflection will go to the screen and it will be visible where available in online video, right? Now what problem we have faced here is some problems like that कि उल्टा screens आता है, तो इसके लिए हमने क्या solution find किया? You can just pin your screen, pin your screen. एक बार आपका screen pin हो जाता है, then it is easily available. So what will happen? Whatever you write it here, it will be easily available for the person who is watching your video, right? I'm sorry. Now these are the simple components. Now why I have shown these components? Why? Because this was a MUP. So whatever we got it, whatever problem we have faced while making this MUP, we have put it all here. Okay. So basically, if you see, this is a dead weight, right? Which is here, which is added here. Because kya hota hai, when we are turning the mirror and all, the weight is less, weight is less here. So ये क्या हो जाता है? It will start toppling. It will take a moment in this situation. So we have put dead weight here. So dead weight की वजह से ये थोड़ा stable रहता है. That's the one thing. Then what we have done is to stick the mirror. To stick the mirror here. This is a mirror. To stick the mirror here, we have just use some glue here. उसके पीछे हम लोग ने एक plastic का body लिया है. उसके ऊपर एक metal का body लिया है, and that metal body is connected with the gooseneck pipe. This is our gooseneck pipe. Okay. And this is a one steel pipe is there, which is welded here. So now gooseneck pipe, इसके अंदर हम लोग ने, we have done the threading and do with the thread यहाँ पे भी है and thread यहाँ पे भी, thread के through हम लोग ने gooseneck pipe को fit किया. So this was our MUP. Now what we have done is, we took this MUP again to the customer, again to the customer, and again we have done this kind of research. Is it really helpful, or what other thing you are facing? How much you will pay for this? We'll see those things here. Yeah.
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Sir, I did not understand the
Working.
mirror kind of thing. मतलब exactly how are you going to operate it?
See, let's say I am in online class now. Okay.
Yes.
I am in online class now. Okay. So मैंने Google Meet on किया है. यहाँ पे मेरा कैमरा ऑन रहेगा. Camera will be on here. Okay. My Google Meet is on. So whatever I am writing here, it will be reflected to the mirror. And through mirror, now actually the mirror will be like this only. Now we have just taken image, and through mirror it is reflected to the camera.
Okay.
So once it is reflected to camera, it will come to your screen, no?
Okay.
Not understood?
Yeah,
clear?
I'm kind of understanding. Okay. Sir, but can this, like, for customers, what I've majorly observed was Google and online teaching, there are a lot of connectivity issues in different regions. So if this can be useful during when the network is low or down.
Yeah.
So
It
this
is.
can be helpful over there.
Yeah. So what you are saying is, these are the different feedback also we got from other teachers, But our primary motto was to help them to, use their traditional method, okay, and use this for a online teaching.
Okay.
Is that clear? So we have focused on that. The same traditional method, they will use it, and based on the same traditional method, they will work. Our product should work. Okay. Of course, as I said, this is our first MUP that we have made, minimum usable prototype. Okay. And then we went to all the teachers and we took feedback from that. and what changes we can do it, you know. So this was the thing. And as I said, this is our MUP challenge brief. So what is challenge? As you said, one of the challenge, if the connectivity issue is there, you know, then what we should do it. Okay. Then the gap, any alternative options. What are the gap? We have still kept it. Can we solve now, or it will be later on? We can solve it. Use cases, right? So in this, you can see the description what we have written from the different scenarios in which the challenge is faced. You know, like example, when we went to some of the teacher, what they said is, okay, writing and everything is fine, but we are keeping book and everything on our keyboard. Okay. So when we'll start writing, keyboard ka button press ho gaya to, because in some keyboard the locking option is not there. So we said that there's a small app that you have to download it, and with by using that app you can, you know, close your keyboard. So these things you can include in your MEP challenge brief. Now this MEP challenge brief is after making your MUP only, and you can take the feedback from your customer, then only you can go for this kind of table. Okay, I hope this is slightly understandable what I'm saying. Okay, now you can ask me this question also, sir हम लोग को इतना सब करने का क्या जरूरत है? ठीक है, will not write down this point. If you will not write down this point, no, whenever you go for the modification, you will not be able to understand what modification I want to really do it. Okay, see, maximum companies is working in a closed loop system. Closed loop system means whenever they are you know, developing any product and selling to the company, selling to the customer, they are always ready to take the feedback, and based on their feedback they are modifying their product, and that way their business is working. What is our problem is, as a youth, you know, what we are thinking is we'll just make a one app, or we are making something one thing, okay, and we'll sell it and we'll earn the money. We're not looking for the long term growth, we are not looking for long term business. Think in different way. Whenever you're going for long term business, no, it helps other business to work also. Okay, we'll tell you how the other things are working. Okay, so this is overall MUP challenge brief is there. MUP challenge brief says that what are the challenges in your current MUP and how you can try to overcome it. Right now, if you see, we have written, describe the specific job the target user want to complete. You know, is it exactly what your customer is looking for? Okay, or your user is looking for? If it is not, then what kind of changes or pain are still there, right, which we can solve it? So this, you can see here, the pains are given. Sorry. Now this pains and gain is means what profit they are getting, and another gain is what changes in the product we have to done. So what happens is the same kind of question we ask our customer, and we try to modify our project. Okay, but before modification has something happened that I'll tell you later on. Okay, finally, as I said, the value proposition canvas. Now this is funda. See, ये ग्राफ के रूप में बताया है because वैसे ही होता है. Okay, like example, now this is something yeah, this is something, if you see the customer segment and the value proposition, what customer is looking for, if this balanced properly, we call it as equilibrium. If we balance properly, right, there is no change, you know. So if you see, every canvas is depending on the last canvas. Okay, from last canvas, what we have done is based on our MUP, we ask customer that, boss, what changes you required, and we increase their gains. Whatever gains they are looking for, we increase that, and we given slight pain relief. Let's say, जैसे मैंने बोला कि बुक आपको कीबोर्ड पे रखना पड़ेगा, तो कीबोर्ड पे रखने के बाद बटन प्रेस होगा, तो वी सेड, सर आप छोटा सा एक ऐप डाउनलोड करो, एंड उससे आपका कीबोर्ड लॉकिंग यू कैन डू इट द कीबोर्ड लॉकिंग, एंड वंस द कीबोर्ड लॉकिंग इज देयर, your one pain is almost relieved, you know. Then again thing is gain. So what gains they are getting is very easy, normal books and usse काम कर सकते हैं अपन, ठीक है. And what are other still product and service we are giving? We are just giving a one time product, okay, and service if they need it, just a mirror they need to replace it. Other parts are quite okay. Mirror break हो गया तो थोड़ा सा problem होता है, so that we have to do it. And let's say out of 3, at least we customer ka 2 or 3 problem we can solve it. So these are the 2 objectives we will able to solve it. Our customer will be the happy one. Our customer will be the happy one. Now, even when you are working with this kind of canvas, you will be automatically understand how to propose your idea to your investors. How to propose your idea to investors. And the same question, why I am discussing this is because the same kind of question they are asking in AICTE when you represent your idea there, and the investor will be there. Okay, now whenever the more time you spend on this MUP challenge and the value proposition canvas, the more easy for you the more easy for you will be to pitch your idea within the pitching of 3 minutes, within the pitching of the 3 minutes. Okay, so now this is your final MUP tech canvas will be there, which will be taking care of all your system designs also. Like in our case, system design, all the part name will be come into the picture, all the part we are using the name will be come into the picture. System constraint, as Advait says that low connectivity will not work. Okay, low connectivity will not work. Then mirror finish, if the mirror finish is not proper, then our system may not work. So the mirror finishing is very important, right? Then exactly value proposition, what kind of value we are giving to the customer, what kind of features and function we can build, everything will write it in the one page, right? Even the technical system and issue with that, let's say example we are using MS, so there will be corrosion chances will be there. So should we go for a powder coating or not? If we are going for, the cost will be bared by the customer or not, or is it just a one time product is there? Okay, so in MUP, after the MUP challenge in tech canvas, whenever we are talking about the tech canvas will be taking care of this all the factors, okay. Now finally the product canvas will become, after this is the derivation of all the your final you can say the canvas. Okay, if you see here, the first statement is problem statement. So whatever hypothesis you have formed, if you see in second slide, we have made a hypothesis for our problem statement. Now we'll modify it and we'll write it properly. So see, now the problem statement will cover these. Which problem do you aim to solve? Now we were thinking of single problem, क्या कि लोगों को पढ़ाने के लिए problem हो रहा है, तो we'll make a device which will be kind of blackboard. But as you said, no, low connectivity क्या हुआ? तो low connectivity के लिए भी हम लोग कुछ सोच रहे हैं क्या? Other thing someone says corporate के लिए, so corporate के लिए we are incorporating something, and based on that, how many target customer we want to address one time? Is it only a teacher or everyone we can address with the same product, right? And if target customers are changing, what changes in product we need to do it? Is it a big changes we need to do it or small? And then value propagation, what kind of value we are. Value propagation is a simple funda. How many problems of the customer will be able to solve it? That's it, right? Unfair advantages, what is the unfair advantages are there with this? And customer acquisitions and sales, yeah, how we'll able to sell it? Is it a B2B or B2C, B2S, business to customer or is it business to business sell we are going for? And the price and revenue model, what kind of price and revenue model we are preferring? Okay, if we are going for business to business, right, then we may have to give for we have to give some product and कुछ expenses, कुछ money पैसा हम लोग को बाकी रखना पड़ेगा. If we are giving directly business to the customer, then we can take it cash payment also. So that kind of model, what kind of model we are preferring, how much quantity we have to kept it. Okay, so every funda, everything will come into this. And finally matrices of overall funda of manpower, then company systems also. Yes, if someone is asking something, let me know, because अगर मैं मीट में जाऊंगा तो वापस ये पीछे हो जाएगा. Yes, anyone having any doubt with related to this? No. Okay. And then finally your 3 minutes come into the picture, 3 minutes pitching into the picture. AICT में, when you go to the AICT, the same problem statement, say you just get 3 minutes to pitch. Your investor will tell only 3 minutes, and this 3 minutes, if you cover this 6 point, if you can cover this 6 point very well, you're obviously, they will be happy to give you the money for your investment. Okay, one more very important point is, whenever you suggest or you tell your problem, like on what problem you are focusing to solve, to investor, one thing you have to take care is you have to generate a kind of story, how that idea come into the picture. If you generate a story, you will get always support from your investor. Like example, suppose we have developed this product. So what was the story? There was a COVID time, teacher were facing a problem, no one was understanding the PPT, the maths problem in PPT, so we need something. ऐसा करके आप कुछ एक story बनाते हो, and with the storyline, if you try to sell your product, that will be really helpful. Okay, so always go with a small story. Okay, and with that small story, you will be able to do it. Now value propagations is, as I said, the what to value, whatever product you are making, सस्ता है, महंगा है, customer is able to read, customer will be able to pay that money. That's very important. Like example, whatever product I have shown to you, like what we have developed, tell me how much you will be ready to pay for this. How much you will be ready to pay for this? Anyone? Like I am taking a feedback from you all also. How much you will be ready to pay for this?
Sir, about sir, until and unless we actually know how it works, like you can tell us, you can show display ki how it works. You can, but
Yeah, definitely, Advait. I'm telling you this. कि just you have to bend this. गूगल मीट पे आपको एक जस्ट यहाँ पे एक पैड रखना है, यहाँ से बुक से आप जो भी लिखोगे तो आपको स्क्रीन पे रिप्रेजेंट हो जाएगा. That's it. That is a working.
So about 300 to 500.
300 to 500 you're ready to pay. Okay. What about others? Advait, how much you will pay? Is it still it is very difficult to understand to use, Advait?
no, sir, I understood it. Just, sir, I will look into ki is it really useful for me right now to replace my work, like what I'm using right now,
Hmm.
and is it really necessary for me to buy?
Very good.
So, sir, but um,
So you are not
sir, if
ready
it's
to
really
buy.
useful, no, sir, I'll think about it if it's really worth
No,
it.
it is not, sir. You say just I'm like a salesman and I'm just presenting my product. Now you tell me. Don't say I'm sir. Okay. Because I am selling the
Around
product. So you have to spend the money.
400 to 500.
400 to 500. Okay. Okay, fine.
Sir, if it's useful during the times when the network is down.
Okay, then 400 to 500. Very good. What about others? How much other people are ready to pay?
Yes, so 500.
500. Okay. Fine. Yes. Others?
So 500.
500. Okay. Okay. Many people said 500. Let me tell you, this MUP, the cost of this MUP, when we have developed, the cost was 480. Okay. So if I'm selling you in 500 rupees, my profit is 20 rupees per piece. Okay. What happened is we have developed this product in almost in September 2020. Okay. At the same time, there was one more team from Pune was working the same kind of product, So we are not took care of our market. We are not knowing who are the competitor. They were also developing, and they developed this product in how much, Of course, their design is totally different, but very quiet and very simple to use. They have developed this product. No, they have sold in this much per piece. So they're as per their design, whatever we know the manufacturing constraint, uska cost itna tha. And from September,
Sir,
they
is
start. Yeah.
Sir, the
Yeah.
480 you are telling, is that a cost of prototype or a मतलब पूरा product आपने सब calculation?
480 is prototype. So of course, when I go for a mass production, it will increase, right? But before, when we have started at the same time, one more, as I said, one more team from Pune has started, right? 35 rupees में उन्होंने उसका cost built up किया, ठीक है? And उन्होंने 2 lakhs pieces बेचे भी अभी तक.
Sir,
Right?
मेरे को एक
Patent
suggestion
करा.
था product के लिए.
Yeah.
Product के लिए suggestion था.
हाँ.
So instead of putting such a stand from the ground itself, you can put a clamp ना. Clamp लगा सकते हैं जो screen के साथ रहेगा mirror सीधा.
Yes, Chirayu. These small mistake we have not, we have didn't took care. हम लोग ने उसको बहुत lightly ले लिया था. And इसलिए मैंने बोला ना, जैसे आपने उन्होंने clamp वाला ही बनाया, 35 में 2 lakh pieces उन्होंने already sold कर दिया और patent भी करा दिया. So now our product is no use. So what I want to say is, whatever you are saying, suggestion all are accepted. What I want to say is the biggest thing is the time. The more आप जितना ज्यादा टाइम लोगे डेवलप करने को, उतना कम टाइम में कोई और आके आपका सब कुछ लेके चला जाएगा. And that happened with us.
So,
Yeah. Yes. Yes,
सर
tell me,
आपने
please.
जब ये प्रोडक्ट बताया है, तो इस प्रोडक्ट में जब हम लोग कुछ क्रेडेंशियल्स टाइप करते हैं, पासवर्ड वगैरह, और बाय चांस हम लोग का ध्यान नहीं रहा ये मिरर हटाने का, तब वो पासवर्ड जो तो डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा ना, जो व्यू कर रहा है उसको. तो हाउ दैट इशू विल बी सॉल्व्ड?
Yeah. See, we have not focused on those issues. Now, whatever you are saying, I can take this issue into the picture and try to develop a different type of product. So it is open for you all now. Even you can think about this kind of some product if you want to do. Take all the these whatever feedback you are giving, I am taking those all feedback as a I'll say the one of the best advice for me to to enhance the quality of my product, because now I cannot be sell this product into market. No, already एक बंदा है जो 50 रुपए में ये चीज बेच रहा है, ठीक है, आपको इंस्टा पे मिलेगा. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली द टीम, आई थिंक इट इज फ्रॉम VIT कॉलेज पुना, राइट, एंड दे हैव पेटेंटेड आल्सो. 1 जनवरी को उनका पेटेंट भी आ गया है, 1 जनवरी, ठीक है. बट एज यू पीपल आर नाउ, दिस चैलेंज टू यू ऑल, इफ सेम प्रोडक्ट इज अवेलेबल है, उसके साथ कंपेयर करके आप कॉस्ट रिड्यूस करके थोड़ा सा और कस्टमर का पेन सॉल्व कर सकते हो, then of course there is a one product which is in front of you. And I'll tell you the name of my team, and I appreciating that they have developed this. This is they are from SE Production, right? The team is the main player of my team was Advait. Then we have a Sahil, Vishal, right? Sahil, Vishal, and one more were there. I forgot the name. There were 4 people who have developed this product, But of course, they are from SE, so they were not knowing more of the design principle. At the same time, I will not able to give it, more attention to them. And ये अच्छा खासा प्रोडक्ट हमारे हाथ से गया. तो आपको कम टाइम, आप ज्यादा समय मत लीजिए कोई भी चीज पे. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि हर बार आपको उसको पेटेंट करना ही है, पहले सोल्व करना भी चालू कर सकते हैं. आपको स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड देखिए, 35 रुपीज 2 लाख पीस उन्होंने बेचा है, 15 रुपया पर पीस आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. नाउ यू ओनली सी हाउ मच विल बी द प्रॉफिट. इट्स अराउंड टू बी कमिंग टू बी ऑलमोस्ट 35 lakh if I'm not wrong, within a time span of 4 to 5 months. There were 4 people. So see their profit, their income in 4 to 5 months, So that way you can discuss things. See, why I am saying is, why you have to always go for a product, why not service? I'm telling you one more important thing is, that is my own thought, okay? That's my own thought. I'm not telling everyone to do that. Whenever we are going for product, product में जाते हैं तो इजी होता है. प्रोडक्ट में जाते हैं तो दूसरे को एक्सप्लेन करने को बहुत इजी होता है, इन्वेस्टर को बताने के लिए कि ये प्रोडक्ट क्या चीज है. Means I'm not talking about the service based product, but the based on IoT based or a manufacturing based. Other thing is, see, whenever I'm talking about this product contains so many parts, so many parts, like this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, right? So we are indirectly, developing a business chain. I'm indirectly developing a business chain or supply chain. So due to me, this all people are also getting work, So कहीं ना कहीं पे directly indirectly we are helping a GDP of the India or the growth of our people, right? Because they will earn also something, they will get also something kind of profit. That's why I always say focused on the product. And when you focus on the product, I'm definitely sure 112% that this kind of canvas will help you to enhance the quality of your product and to find exact target market for your product. Sometimes you develop something which may not be useful for that particular product. As you people are giving me suggestion, now we can go for a corporate world, we can go for children, we can go for many things. But I can use some product in some other way, I can sell in some other market, as Advait said, that in whatever area we are staying, the factors are that factors are also important. वहां पे और कोई सस्ता चीज रहेगा तो other people will not use. And what they people did, they have sold their product in Australia also, not in India, but out of India also, right? So that is also one thing we have to focus. Okay, so this was my overall idea. This was my overall idea for this business model canvas. I am open for your questions and open for whatever you people want to discuss with me. Yeah.
सर सॉरी, वो लेफ्ट में क्या है सर? वो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. वो जो इमेज है,
या
दैट स्टैंड, वो क्या है एग्जैक्टली? लेफ्ट,
दिस इज दिस वन.
हाँ,
ये पीछे सपोर्ट करने के लिए दिस स्टैंड.
बट
दिस स्टैंड इज देयर. हाँ,
अच्छा, वो मिरर, देन यू बेंड इट लाइक दैट.
या
दैट इज द,
हाँ, बेस सपोर्ट.
हाँ सर, वो डिजाइन सर ऐसे कॉम्पैक्ट बना सकते हैं हम.
हाँ,
ज्यादा
अभी इस पे काम करके अद्वैत फायदा नहीं है, बिकॉज आई सेड नो, ऑलरेडी किसी ने मार्केट में लाके इसको बेच दिया है और मुझसे 10 गुना कम कॉस्ट में.
सर इसको डिजाइन को मॉडिफाई और कॉम्पैक्ट करके अच्छे से, देन इफ वी आर लुकिंग टू सेल इट, देन
वी कैन. आई एम कीपिंग दिस चैलेंज टू यू ऑल. कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड है तो मेरी टीम के साथ ज्वाइन करके, इफ यू कैन प्रपोज समथिंग वेल, आई विल बी हैप्पी टू दैट. Because we have almost lose our hope that will not be able to sell this product now, because the people who have selling into market, they have already patented this technique, unka jo bhi hai, that way.
सर उन्होंने सेम किया है क्या? सेम
सेम प्रिंसिपल है, बट उनका जैसे चिरायु ने बोला क्लैम्प किया हुआ है, क्लैंपिंग का मैकेनिज्म बना है छोटा सा, एंड दैट वे दे हैव डन. हाँ, now the people who have selected for the idea competition and those who are going for a final round, I will request all of you to meet me in personally, or we'll do a personal meeting where I'll tell you like what way you have to present your product. Okay, because this same MUP, this same, actually this is a one kind of criteria also the AICT people are preferring. So we have to be take care of these things also. Is that clear? Yeah. Other question, please. Yeah. Yes, Advait. Yes, you want.
No, nothing, sir. Nothing, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else want to ask something? Anyone else? No. Yeah. Even I'm open, right? You people can, if you people want to do a slight kind of modification in this product, and you people are preferring, it's a challenge to you all, because ऐसा समझिए कि ये एक बंद होने वाली कंपनी है, एंड आप ये कंपनी को उठाने के लिए,
आपने जो प्रोडक्ट बनाया था उसका मटेरियल क्या था?
ये जो हम लोग ने प्रोडक्ट बनाया इसमें MS यूज किया, हम लोग ने MS यूज किया है, और उन्होंने जो बनाया है
कंपनी ने उसने क्या यूज
प्लास्टिक यूज किया है, प्लास्टिक यूज किया है. दे हैव यूज्ड 3D प्रिंटेड टेक्निक. यहाँ पे मैं आप लोग से शेयर करता हूँ, मैं इंस्टा पे वो एक जगह पे है, मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे भेजा था. आई शेयर यू विद ऑल ऑफ यू. अभी मेरे पास वो है नहीं एक्चुअली, लेटर ऑन आई शेयर विद यू ऑल कि वो कौन सा टीम है. VIT पुणे है, विश्वकर्मा, आई थिंक विश्वकर्मा. देयर नेम आल्सो आई शेयर, देयर दे हैव पुट देयर नेम, सब कंपनी का कुछ नाम भी डाला उन्होंने. सो दैट वे दे हैव देयर. Okay, other thing, people, anyone want to ask something?
Sir, if you want to join that team, how do you go about it?
Advait, just give me a message on WhatsApp.
Okay,
I'll share
sure.
your detail. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yes. Upamanyu, you asked me something later on. Yes. Anything else? No. Okay. Okay, class. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your patience, and be a quiet.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I'll just stop the recording, then you may leave the meeting.